My name is Erik Laas. I work for VITO, the Flemish Institute for Technological Research, and we are in the EPIC Africa project. We are the partner that is organizing the transition spaces. So when comparing the transition space that we organized in Nairobi and now the one that we organized here in Accra, I think I need to talk first a bit about the similarities. So we noticed that the people that we invited to be here were really enthusiastic about it, and especially about the methods of transition management that we introduced to them, like the 3 lenses to look at a certain problem, the iceberg model, etc. So we had very enthusiastic responses about that because it introduces something new. Also, I think one of the similarities was in terms of the values that we connected for building our future visions on a sustainable water, energy, food system management. I think these values that we collected were in both cases very similar. In both cases there was a big emphasis on sustainable resource management. Very similar experiences, but on the other hand we also had some differences. And that's mainly because we, as the team from VITO, we learned also about the way we handled the transition space in Nairobi. So for instance, here in Accra, we had the opportunity to tackle the question about building the future visions together with young people from secondary schools here in Accra. And that was a great experience. So the young people mingled with the experts in the room. And it's of course the young people are the voice of the future generation, so it's very important that we listen to them and about what they desire from the future water, energy, food system. So that was, I think, a great addition or something new that we did in Accra. One other difference was also, I think that in this case, again, because we learned from the case in Nairobi, that we were able to put in more of a connection between the values that we collected and the presentation on the models that we are going to use. So in the presentation of the models, we were able to go more into the question of how we are going to deal with value trade-offs, for instance.